Alhamdulillah. Wassalatu wassalam ala Rasulillah wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wal 'asr. Innal insana lafi khusr. Illa alladhina amanu wa 'amilus salihati wa tawasaw bil haqqi wa tawasaw bis sabr. Rabbi shrah li sadri ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. My respected elder and my dear brothers and sisters, I welcome all of you with the Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be upon all of you. The topic of my talk is patience. This topic is the key element in the life of the believer. It is mentioned in the 103rd chapter of the Quran, which I recited in the beginning of my talk, about which Imam Shafi'i rahimahullah had said that if no other chapter of the Quran was revealed, that chapter would have been sufficient for humankind, for them to be guided. That chapter is Surah Al-Asr. Wal-Asr, by time. Innal insana lafi khusr. Indeed, humankind is in the state of loss. Illa alladhina amanu wa amilu salihat. Except for those who believe and do righteous deeds. Wa tawasaw bil haqq, and advise each other in truthfulness. Watawasaw bis-sabr, and advise each other to be patient. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in this chapter, a small chapter from the end of the Quran, identifies patience and advise each other to be patient as being among the keys for success in this life. He stressed it above many other characteristics which are important also. Generosity, kindness, love, compassion. There are many other wonderful characteristics, but he chose out of all of them two, truthfulness and patience, because first and foremost, for anyone to attain a proper relationship with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that person has to be true. It has to be about truth, accepting the truth when it comes to him or her, and following the truth. They have to commit themselves to that truth, truth which we know as Islam. Once a person has committed himself or herself to the truth in all aspects of his or her life, then he or she has to be patient, because the truth will be tried and tested. What is patience, and how does the person learn to be patient? Can we learn it, or it is just that some people are born patient and others are not? We see some people seem to be quite patient. From the time they were kids, they were able to handle things. They have grown up being patient. Is patience something that we can learn? Yes. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ had said, it is mentioned in Sahih al-Bukhari, volume number 2, book of Zakah, Hadith number 1469. وَمَنْ يَتَصَبَّرْ يُصَبِّرُ اللَّهُ. Whoever pretends to be patient, يُصَبِّرُ, Allah will give him patience. So it is something that we all can achieve, and that is logical. Because why would Allah then put patience as one of the keys for success if we are unable to learn it? It's only those who are born with it. Meaning Allah is destined for you patience, and then He gives you success in life because you have patience? No, that would be unfair if we couldn't learn it. So obviously, it is something which we can learn, and it is required of us. Hence, it is very important for us to understand under what circumstances is patience required of us.